Hi, good evening. Welcome everyone to Post Market Analysis with Jagadish, Chandran. Today we'll be discussing on what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on and key levels to focus on. Index spot levels. Nifty opens around 19,449. Test levels of 19,400 to close flat for the day, positive 0.19%. 19,444 zones forming a doji candle for the day. Bank Nifty 2 opened around 43,791, tested the lows of 43,547 to close around 43,658, negative 0.18%. IT index 2 ended the day with 0.18% negative for the day. The advance decline ratio was positive. Number of advances 117 versus the declines of 67. India VIX negative 11.04, negative 1.34% for the day. If you look at the open interest data and derivatives data, Nifty resistance now placed at 19,540 followed by 19,580, supports placed at 19,330 followed by 19,240 zones. Bank Nifty resistance at 43,980 followed by 44,200, 44,300, supports placed at 43,500 followed by 43,200 zones. Technically, markets are in pullback mode and range bound activity is seen. How long can it continue? It's a question mark. Stock specific action continues. Add quality stocks to your long term portfolio for wealth creation to achieve your financial goals. Hope our market updates are helping the investors and traders in taking their investing and trading decisions. If so, do subscribe our channel and hit the like button and share it to your friends and relatives looking for market updates and interesting insights. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.